Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on a specific customer name in Shopify. Using the customer names condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the customer names condition. So first, we'll search for customer names in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. Here, for example, we'll select Block if found. Next, you have the match type selection. There are 4 options. Partial match. The rule will apply if any part of the name matches. Example, if you enter John, it will also match John Doe. First name match. Only the first name is checked. Example, John will match customers whose first name is John. Last name match. Only the last name is checked. Example, Doe will match customers with the last name Doe. Full name match. The full name must match exactly. Example, John Doe will only match that exact name. For this video, we will choose partial match and enter John. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry, you can't order. Please contact support for help." Then click the Save button to apply your rule. This means if any customer places an order and their name contains John, then checkout will be blocked. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the customer places an order and his name contains John. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now let's change the customer email and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!